Hey, what's going on YouTube? Steven here. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Phanteks Glacier D120 120mm distribution plate. So let's open this up and check it out. Alright, so there it is. Let's see what we get in the box first. So in this bag, looks like they do include one plug, 4 screws, and an Allen wrench. And we do have 2 RGB cables here. So it looks like that's a pass-through. And then this is a 5-volt addressable. So it should be a 3-pin. Yep, it is. Oh, that's nice. It's actually a pass-through also. So this would plug into your motherboard. This is going to plug into that cable, and that cable is going to plug into the block. And then you also have a pass-through here, so you can plug in something else as well. So now let's check out this block, the distribution plate. So there it is there. And we have 5 G1/4 fittings. So this is supposed to be to let air out of the system. So we have an in and an out, or vice versa. And then you have a little pass through there. And then you do have some air vents here on the side as well. So we have 1, 2, 3 little air vents there. And it is a nice mirror finish. You can see me there recording. And here's the back, just a nice matte finish, black finish on the back. And you can see your screw holes, like I said, meant to replace or go where a 120mm fan goes. And then your pass-through. So it's pretty light, looks really nice. I like the nice mirror finish. And there's the thickness. Oh, and there's where you plug in the, I didn't even see the lights on it, actually. So, let's get this to focus. Actually, you can see, if I get my camera to focus in there. Come on. There we go. You can actually see the LED lights there. And it looks like there's the little plug on top. So yeah, there's a nice close-up of it. It says Phanteks there. It's kind of the thickness of it. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing of the Distro Plate. I'll show you this really quick. So there's the part number if anybody is curious. I will also have a link down below. This thing was about 75 bucks. So if anybody wants to look at that, you can go ahead and pause. There we go. So yeah, quick little unboxing there. Like I said, link will be down below. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Appreciate it. Leave me a thumbs up. I'll also have a video coming up of this guy installed in my case. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.